Greetings everyone. I am Yash on behalf of the team Astro 5 about to present our project VEER, which stands for Vehicle Exhaust Emission Reducer under the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our team Astro 5 includes 5 members: Suyesh Parihar, Ayush Kumar, Yash Parmar, Vedant and Shubh Jain. Our mentor is PGT Chemistry Mrs. Chitra Parmar. VEER is a project focusing on reducing vehicular emissions for better quality of life. So let us dive deeper into the project. The exhaust gases from vehicles cause very severe issues like greenhouse effect, global warming, and air pollution. On further research, we found out that the exhaust gases include 6 major components: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbon, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. But current emission standards throughout the world, like Bharat Stage 6, Euro emission standards, and so on, regulate some parts of emissions. According to these standards, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbon emissions are reduced to negligible amounts. So, in short, we will only need to tackle the following: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. So, now we will dive deeper into their solutions.
And I am going to explain about particulate matter or PM, which refers to tiny solid and liquid particles released from vehicle exhaust and can lead to respiratory and heart diseases. To tackle this, our project introduces a compact filter that traps these pollutants using layers of steel wool, charcoal, cotton, and ceramic fiber. Its one-time cost ranges between rupees 1000 to rupees 5000, and its maintenance cost will be rupees 500 to rupees 1500. Frequency of maintenance will be 4 times at max. After collecting particulate matter, this collection can be further used in multiple beneficial processes.
My name is Vedant and I am a member of Team Astro 5 for Viksit Bharat 2025 Buildathon. Now, I am going to talk about sulfur dioxide filtration unit. When vehicles burn fuels like diesel or petrol, they release sulfur dioxide SO2, a harmful gas that causes acid rain, damage to building and even breathing problems. Our idea is to attach a cartridge filled with calcium carbonate CaCO3 to the exhaust systems of cars. As exhaust gases pass through it, SO2 reacts with CaCO3 to form calcium sulfide CaSO3 and releases harmless carbon dioxide. The system is very affordable, costing about only 1000 to 1200 rupees and needing a refill only after 1000 kilometers, just 20 paisa per kilometer in this modern century. The byproduct calcium sulfide can even be converted into gypsum used in cement and fertilizers. This simple innovation can make our vehicles more eco-friendly. The byproduct calcium sulfide can even be converted into gypsum, which is used in cement and fertilizer industries. Now, my friend Suyesh will explain you the rest of the project.
Hey everybody, I am Suresh Parihar for the taking of the lead to explain our project VEER. The third problem we have worked on is of carbon dioxide. Exhaust carbon dioxide goes into the air and causes global warming by increasing greenhouse effect. We have used magnetite to reduce carbon dioxide into oxygen and carbon as solid. In the prototype, there are 4 cartridges filled with 5 kg magnetite each. Step 1. Heat up the magnetite at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius to build up empty oxygen vacancies in it. Step 2. He pass the carbon dioxide rich exhaust gases from the cartridge. It will take out the oxygen and leave carbon in solid form. Step 3. After magnetite has filled all its oxygen vacancies, it will be moved into a hydrogen concentrated chamber for recreation of oxygen vacancies at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. Continuing this cycle will efficiently turn about 90% of the CO2 produced into H2O and useful carbon solids. Here are solutions for easy practical implementation. 5 kg magnetite can work 7 minutes continuously and takes 14 minutes for regeneration of oxygen vacancies. In a quad-chambered system, a two cartridge will be processing carbon dioxide taking 14 minutes or 7 minutes each. Another two cartridge will be regenerating together in the same chamber taking 14 minutes in total. At the top, a motor gear will pull out the sealing film. Cartridges will go by a conveyor belt swapping their places. Then motor gear will push the sealing film back on the place. In the left chamber, regenerated cartridge will filter CO2 and in the right chamber, vacuum pump will suck out all the air, then H2O will be released in the chamber enabling the regeneration process. Now, since the temperature of exhaust gases ranges around 300 degrees Celsius, we will have to attach a small heating element powered by car's battery, which will make us achieve the required temperature without any excess load on the vehicle. A hydrogen gas tank of 6-liter capacity is also to be attached in the car. One time cost of this setup will be around 80,000 rupees and the maintenance cost will be 1 to 2 rupees per kilometer. But mass production of this can reduce 40 to 60% of the total costs. This unit can process 150 grams of CO2 per minute. Cars with latest emission standards produces only 60 to 120 grams of CO2 per minute. 6 liters of hydrogen gas can work up to 800 kilometers. The collected carbon solids can be used for burning furnaces in industries, to produce thermal energy, to heat up homes, and so on. After all, the carbon is extracted from exhaust gases and now being reduced and recycled. Some suggestions for VEER's real life implementation. VEER can be attached in exhaust systems in the manner shown on this slide, with CO2 filtration unit at the most back followed by SO2 filtration unit and particulate matter filtration unit. In the FAQ part, we are going to answer the most commonly asked question about VEER. Question is about comparison of EVs with VEER. So, on this slide, we can see that in the table that among all top 10 most purchased cars in India in the financial year 2024-25, there are only two cars with EV variants. One is Tata Punch, who sold 1,96,000 total units, out of which only 27,500 units are EV. Second is Hyundai's Creta, who sold only 9,700 units of EV variant out of 1,94,000 total sold units. Also in the pie chart given beside, displaying the fuel type of all the cars. Also in the pie chart given beside, displaying the fuel type of all the cars sold in the financial year 2024-2025, it is clear that over 94% of all the cars sold are petrol, diesel or CNG. Conclusion is that even today, the share of EVs in the automobile market is exceedingly limited, making VEER an indispensable solution for meeting the urgent demands for cleaner technology. The related detailed documents and the PPTs will be listed below about VEER. Thank you everybody for your time and attention today. I sincerely appreciate your interest and engagement in this project about the discussion of VEER and its role in reducing vehicle emissions. Team Astro 5 is thanking everybody again and preparing for round 2.